There goes a section of really old places here. Been abandoned for probably some time now. This one here on the end though is collapsed and about gone. Really neat to see though.
Hey y'all, today we are at Glendale Shoals something or another in Waterfall. Can't remember.
Yeah, I think it's a preserve is what it is, and we're going to take a look around, see this waterfall behind us, and see what else we can find. This right here is the waterfall that they have here, which I think it used to be an old dam here. And it's wide, really wide. And it has a little pathway here where you can actually get pretty close to it. A lot of this is all dry out here. Step across there, get way out there.
There it is. Glendale Shoals Nature Preserve Greenway, Paddling Trail, and Environmental Studies Center.
And there's quite a bit here.
Excuse me.
We got this big old bridge here that we're going to probably walk across and take a look on the other side, see what we can see. It looks interesting. Don't look like it's been in operation for some time. But this right here is really neat. Kind of get out here a little bit on these rocks. Hopefully you can still hear me. Waterfall there is pretty loud. Step all out here across these for quite some ways, and it kind of looks like there might be another little waterfall on the other side there. Can't really tell for sure, but it looks like it. But yeah, it opens up quite a bit in here. If it wasn't so cold and windy for today, this right here would be a nice little area to have a picnic. After you cross the bridge there, you come across, and there's actual trail back here that you can take. I'm not too sure how long it is or anything, didn't see anything on that. But it comes back here to a little garden area, and you get pretty close up to the towers here, which you can actually see. Looks like it was 1850 something, I think, to 1902.
1855, 56, I can't totally tell either.
That is pretty neat, and it's still standing there. They got that separated and closed off from people going back there. You see the other big tower back there. It's neat right back in here. Sure, here's a side look at little falls here, kind of a little rocky. Looks like you could probably use it as a slide if they actually allowed people to get in here. But it's pretty neat. And it goes back for some ways. So here's the path that we're on right now, what we're seeing. It's very, very neat.
Very neat.
And there's this old, looked like a two-story white house here that's completely boarded up. And
I want to know the house's story. Like, what was it?
Yeah, it looks like they got it fenced off so you can't get near it or anything, but it's really neat looking from here. It'd be definitely awesome to find out more information on it if we can. And there's this big old tower here. It's very nice out here though. Here's a little bit better view of what it looks like with the second falls here. Not too sure if you could actually go down that easily. I think you'd be tore up a little bit. Still can't tell what these really are supposed to be. I found a way over here off the trail that we're on. Kind of get a little bit closer to it. Looks like it used to be much more of a part of a bigger building out here. But this right here is all that's left standing still. Very interesting though. A lot of the rock has been collapsing on the inside. I am not about to go in any deeper to see, but it is very cool looking. Back in its time, this place was massive. Not too sure when, which we'll try to find out if we can. But it came way out this way. As far back that way as you can possibly see. But this right here is what's left of it. It is very neat looking to see. Got this other little section down the path a little bit. It looks like used to be another building here, and up on a hill there is a really old house. Can't get any better looks at it at all. But it's hard to say what it might have been. But it's all of this here, and it is very neat. Yeah, way back here on the trail, it seems like it just keeps on going for a while. But you can barely see the towers out there poking in between the trees. And it's very nice, quiet through here. Shaded, and it runs right beside the river. Very nice out here. Got some wild berries up there on the back.
Yeah, that clearly are inedible, or else they'd be gone from the wildlife.
Yeah, too sure how far it actually goes, but it's a nice wide trail here.
Yeah, I figured we'd go about another half mile and then
We'll turn ourselves around and head back to the van.
yeah. We are on our way back to the van now. And it was nice. I would have appreciated some sort of visitor center that at least had pamphlets of some sort to tell you. Yeah.
The trails, because it went a couple different ways. But we just stayed on that one main trail, looped around on one. It looked like that we could possibly scoot up against a fence line close to the houses, but it was all definitely blocked off.
Oh yeah, they are definitely fenced off with barbed wire on the top of the chain link. But some sort of pamphlet with history and a trail map would have been nice.
Yeah. Other than that, not lacking the material, this right here was actually really nice.
It was. It's a really cute small town. It consists of a Masonic lodge and some sort of college stuff and a post office.
Yeah, very small town. Very, very quiet. I think we saw 2 vehicles parked out here and that was it.
Yeah.
But other than that, this right here was actually a nice little stroll through here.
Yeah, thanks for joining us.